to Mama Niger's Kitchen, a home filled with love and everyday amazing adventure. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for coming into the house of Mama Niger. You, of course, will never have a dull moment. Welcome to my guest, new and returning guest. All my subscribers, thank you for the love that you have shown to us. Today, I bring you something different, something new, spectacular, a blend of the taste of Mama Niger. If you already is not aware, Mama Niger has different arms. Three main pillars of Mama Niger are the creative food art, interior design, and exotic cooking. So today is a unique opportunity to bring you a revolutionary, a state-of-the-art paradise tablescape incorporating creative food art and interior design. I'm going to feature Paradise Tablescape. It's a transitional tablescape from summer into fall, so I trust that you will like what you see, guys, because here you get to enjoy, have the full scope experience of two aspects of Mama Niger: the creative food art and the interior design piece. Guys, I would like to hear what you think about this display. Speak back to me, guys. I'm yearning to hear from you. Yes, speak back to your girl. She's yearning to hear from you. Hearing back from you gives me that tool to enable me evaluate your response to the product and to determine if this is what you would like to see in the coming future. Stay tuned and watch to the end. If you are new to this house, so much welcome, guys. And if you are returning, you know how we rock, you know how we love it deep, so much love. Guys, remember, your love, support is essential to the growth of this community. So continue to hit that like button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you have not already done so you do not miss out on any of our productions and postings. And finally, support with sharing. Share this link to the video. Share the platform to your community, your social media, your family, your friends. Guys, thank you. So stay tuned and keep watching. So here I have a blank space, okay, that I'm going to be working on. I am using a formal family dining table here. I just quickly, clean it out. It's all wiped down already. Here is my tablecloth that I'm going to be adding on to it. This is my gold tablecloth. I love it. It is beautiful. I'm going to be adding some tropical flair to this tablescape using the Hawaiian palm leaves. Flip it out at the center, flipping that out. I love doing tablescaping, guys, because I haven't had time for it. A lot going on this summer, guys. Here is our runner. Okay, guys, how you like that? I love the look. For the place setting, I am using the emerald green charger, layering that over with a white dinner plate and coral dinner plate, topping it off with a white pumpkin bowl. Yes, guys, I just love that contrasting color look. Really stand out and capture the paradise theme. And now, the reveal. Guys, here it is. In its immaculate beauty. Paradise Tablescape. Indeed. One and only. Revolutionary. Yes, a trend setting, guys. Incorporation of food art, decor, and tablescape in a paradise scheme. Guys, what do you say? What do you say? Are you in love with it? Do you like it? Please drop me a message. Feedback is always highly needed. I am going to allow you now to take a good look at it and enjoy the music as you do so.
Myself into. You got me breathing better than ever. I'm walking on air. You got me racing, trying to catch up. You're already there. I've let go of my heart, every part. Don't wanna stop, just know how to start. I see you got me breathing better than ever. I'm walking on air. Might admit to this and say, loving is a better way. As long as I can be with you, we have fun and games us two. Go ahead and prove me wrong. I know how to laugh alone. You could take me anywhere. I would trust you all the way there. I tried every loophole to never have to.
So guys, yes indeed. I am happy, I am pleased and satisfied with the video, with the product, the content, guys, all the way 100%. But in as much as my opinion counts, your opinion counts even more. So hearing back from you is highly treasured. Hit that like button, smash it if you like the video, so we can keep bringing you a blend of creative food art and interior designs. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoyed your presence in the house today. You know how much I love you guys. Mwah. Yes, so much love and hug to each and every one of you. Until our next video, keep creating, keep improving and enhancing your everyday life, because your today will never be the tomorrow. Your today is your now. live it to the fullest. Your today can never be your tomorrow. Until our next upload, we say Obulu or Kinwefo. Bye bye.